In the picture, the court is labeled. Please memorize all the sections that are labeled. Each side of the court will have an add and a deuce side. The server will start on the deuce side serving, and the returner will start on the deuce side returning. In tennis, we score love 15, 30, 40 game. Simply put, it's just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 game. So we talked about the add and deuce side. On the deuce side, you can only have these scores: 0, 0 or love all, 15 all, 30 all, 40 all, or it's called deuce, 40, 15, or 15, 40. When I say 15 all, that's simply putting the score is 15 to 15. On the add side, the score can only be 15 love, love 15, 30 15, 15 30, 40 love. When playing a point, you must keep the ball within the baselines. If you are playing singles, and only singles, you will have to keep the ball within the singles sideline. So when playing a point, you must keep the ball within the baselines and the single sidelines. There will be a label on the bottom of your racket. This is a Wilson racket, so it has a W. One person will spin the racket, the other one will call up or down. The person that wins the spin will choose whether they want to serve first or return first. The other person will choose what side to start on first. In this situation, player 1 blue is serving to player 1 red. Player 1 blue is standing on the deuce side and will serve to player 1 who is also standing on their side of the deuce side. Player 1 blue must make it into the deuce box located in the picture. He will have 2 opportunities to get it in the box. If not, player 1 blue loses the point. Once you've completed a point on the deuce side, you simply move to the add side. Server 1 blue will serve to the box that's on the add side of server 1 red. When serving, you serve to the opposite box that you're in, but in reality, it's the same box. So you serve from the add side to the add box and the deuce side to the deuce box. You have 2 times to try to get it in. If not, you lose the point. The server will serve the entire game. Once the game is done, then the other person will serve the entire game. When playing no add, that means when the score is 40 all or deuce, the next point wins the game. So the returner will get to pick what side the server serves on, either the add or the deuce side. Once you play at the point, that's it. The game is over. Whoever wins that point, only on 40 all or deuce, will win the game. You only switch sides when the number in the set equals an odd number. When you're calling games in a set, you call your games first, then your opponent. For example, 1, 3, you would not switch because 1 plus 3 equals 4. But if you have another score, let's say 5, 4, so I'm up 5 games, my opponent is down 4, then you would switch sides because 5 plus 4 is 9. In an 8-game pro set, the first one to win 8 games wins the match. You must win by at least 2, so the score could be 8-1 or 9-7. Now you might be asking yourself, what happens if we both reach 8 games each, or 8 all. Then you have to play a 10-point tiebreaker. Don't know how to play a tiebreaker? That's okay. I'll make a video for that too. Now you might be playing a 2 out of 3 set match. So this is how you score that. There are 6 games in a set. You must win 2 sets to win the match. Now you might be asking yourself again, hey, what if we get to 6 all? That means I have 6 games and my opponent has 6 games. In the first or second set, what do? Then you simply play a 7-point tiebreaker. What if you split sets? You win a set and your opponent wins a set. What do? You simply play a 10-point tiebreaker for the match. I'll make a video on that too. Here are some things that might help out. Call out the score between every point. That way both you and your opponent know what the score is. If you can't see if the ball is in or out, call it in. If your ball rolls onto another court and someone is playing, wait till the point is over, then ask for help or go get the ball. If you're crossing behind someone's match, wait till the point is over, then cross over. Shake hands or bump rackets after the match. And finally, the winner will report the score to either the tournament director or their coach, whichever person they were told to report the score to.